My name is Darin Tweedt. I'm the Deputy Chief Criminal Counsel for the Oregon Department of Justice. I report to the Chief Criminal Counsel and then to the Deputy Attorney General and to the Attorney General himself. I've been a prosecutor since 1992. The vast majority of my career was spent in the Violent Felony Unit at the Marion County District Attorney's Office, where I handled high-profile cases, child sex abuse, and homicide cases. For the past few years, I've been working for the Attorney General.
So we're actually going to start with you, Darin. So it's good that you have the mic. So your question is, what are the roles of the various law enforcement investigation and prosecution offices at the federal, state, and local levels?
In Oregon, we're uniquely situated in that the vast majority of criminal activity and criminal investigations takes place at the local level. So it's the chiefs of police and the county sheriffs that are responsible for investigating as first responders. They take up the vast brunt of the investigations as they continue. And they report the criminal activity to the elected district attorney of each of the counties. It's the elected district attorney's office that reviews the cases and decides what charges, if any, need to be filed. And they work through the grand jury process, or they just file charges in the case of misdemeanors through simple court actions. The other part of that component is the United States Attorney's Office and the federal investigative services, such as the FBI and some of the other federal agencies that are involved with investigating federal crimes. Those federal agencies don't necessarily are not necessarily aware of all of the criminal activity that takes place. It basically depends on how the initial investigating agency determines to respond, whether they want to take the initial crimes through the county or whether they want to refer them to the federal agencies. Now, the Oregon DOJ is situated somewhat in the middle. We will assist the local district attorneys and the local law enforcement in investigations. We'll assist in prosecutions when asked. And we have a wide variety of different types of intelligence functions that we can provide in this area. In addition, we respond to constituent requests. So if someone feels that an adequate investigation hasn't been performed or that the local district attorney's office isn't handling a case appropriately, we oftentimes receive constituent requests to at least look into the matter. And we do that by checking in with the elected official, the district attorney, with the county sheriff, or with the local chief of police, and just kind of asking what the investigation had entailed. We can initiate our own investigations if we need to, and we will do so. So it's really a three-legged stool in Oregon, but the thickest part of that stool is the local law enforcement response and the local district attorneys.
Thank you.